Slide the hitch tube into the trailer hitch, ensuring the holes are aligned. Remove the locking head from the hitch pin. Insert the pin until it passes through the opposite side. Install the locking head onto the end of the hitch pin. Tighten the front lever until snug. Insert the locking clips and secure them to prevent the auxiliary bracket from slipping down. Push the front spring pin into the support beam hole. Insert the bolts, install the nuts and washers, and tighten securely. Slide the support bars in so the holes are aligned. Install the wheel support brace, nuts, and washers, and tighten the bolts. Tighten securely using the included socket tool. Unscrew the fixing screw and L-pin. Insert the vertical post into the support beam, aligning it with the hole. Fasten the fixing screw and L-pin. When in use, erect the vertical post and fix it with the L-pin. Loosen the knobs on the wheel holders and slide them onto the wheel tubes. Tighten the screws that come with the support bars. Push the frame hook down onto the vertical post until it locks securely into place. Remove the 4 screws on the tire stopper and install it on the wheel tubes. Note: 26-inch wheels do not require the installation of a tire stopper. L-pin and fold the vertical post 90 degrees. Release the 2 spring pins and lift up the support beam. Remove the locking clip, push open the spring pin, and tilt the rack. This will allow you to open the trunk. Open both ends of the crossbar adapter. Install the crossbar on e-bikes without a top tube to facilitate a secure attachment. Put the e-bike on the hitch rack. Put up the vertical post and fix it with the L-pin. Push the frame hook down onto the vertical post until it locks securely into place. Tighten the anti-locking and lock the frame hook. Tighten the nylon hook and loop strap on the bicycle wheel. Wrap the straps around the vertical post in each e-bike. Pass the strap through the built-in buckle and fasten the buckle.